Chriss.pops on YouTube. Chriss.pops on Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe.
So I'm not even gonna lie, this wig surprised the hell out of me. Like, I wasn't expecting this, and now I'm kind of mad that I didn't buy two. I'm mad. What's up, y'all? This is Chriss.pops and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm telling you guys all about It's a Wig Simply Lace Missouri. I was kind of leery of doing this wig at first because every shade of blonde is not for us. Well, it's matching my brown skin because y'all know, brown girls, y'all know. It's really the perfect tones for brown skin. So yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I did have to do a little bit of work to Missouri's hairline. All I did was literally take 5 or 6 pieces of hair at a time and pluck them with my hand. I'm showing you guys how the middle looks, which have been plucked, versus the side. You can see the middle is a lot less dense, and the side over to the left is more densely packed. So this is going to give my hairline a little bit more natural appearance. And here she is. I'm kind of admiring the color and trying to talk myself into doing this at the same time because this is not my norm, but I'm excited to try on Missouri. So I'm gonna fit her on my head. Gonna see where I want to position her. And I'm also going to use my Got2b to get all my hair out of the way and brush it back for my application. Now I'm going to take my wig off to cut my wig. So on the inside of Missouri, we do not have a lot of lace parting space, but we're still going to work some magic. You have 2 combs at the top, which I will not use since I'm applying it with my Got2b glue. And there's also a comb in the back, which I won't be using either. Our Got2b is going to secure our wig as much as it needs to be secured. When I cut my lace, I'm just taking it off of my head and I'm cutting in a zigzag type of pattern without cutting into the hairline. And as you can see, the way I cut it, it's definitely not a straight line. It's zigzag. That's going to help us out when we apply it. So now I'm applying. I'm using my Got2b freeze spray. I'm starting in the middle, and I just add about 2 layers of freeze spray. And then I apply. And using my blow dryer on cool, I go ahead and lay my lace and tap it into the Got2b freeze spray. I'm moving on to the side and I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm also doing the same thing on the other side. And you can do a ball cap if you want to. It definitely will extend the time that you're able to wear your wig. I don't plan on having this wig for a long time, so therefore I didn't do a ball cap. I just have my black wig cap on underneath. Alright, so I'm just continuing to blow dry and cool. Pulling my hair back, and we're going to tie it down for about 10 minutes. Okay, so everything's all dry. Pulling the hair back, and now we're going to start our baby hairs. Because we did pluck before, that's going to make it a lot easier to pull not a lot of hair out because we don't want our baby hairs too thick. Baby hairs are something that are optional. So you can either do baby hairs or not do them. I like them. They definitely soften the hairline, especially when you're dealing with a wig like this. And I think it just helped the overall appearance. So I cut at an angle. I add my got-to-be spiking glue, and I just brush it in the direction that I want it to go. And I repeat those same steps throughout my hairline. Okay, so after tying it down for a few minutes just so they can set, now I'm going through and I'm adding my powder. And remember, just like I told you guys on the last video, you don't want a powder that's super light. I go with a powder that's the same color as my contour. A darker powder definitely helps the lace to blend in even more. And I'm really liking the outcome. I think it's blended really well. It's melted just like I want it to be. Y'all, so what y'all think about this blonde? Let me know. So now I'm going through with an alcohol-free mousse. Alcohol-free because this is a synthetic wig. It's just gonna define my waves and kind of help me detangle it. Alright y'all, so at this point you're good to go. But me, I love big hair. I love big hair. So I'm going to tease. It's all about the tease. And sometimes when you purchase wigs with dark roots, the roots aren't dark all over. I have a trick for that. You can just use some hairspray in black. So now I'm just taking my curling wand that doesn't get super duper hot, and I'm just melting my lace in even more. That's just going to add the finishing touches that we want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'll definitely be uploading new videos weekly.